ever wondered what happens to the body when we die? When your heart stops beating? According to some studies, the brain is able to function up to 3 minutes after death. In the medical field, this is called clinical death. After biological death, you have no chance of being revived due to extensive brain damage from the lack of oxygen. Your muscles will relax and urine and feces will begin to pass. The blood pools to the parts of the body closest to the ground. Algor mortis, also known as the death chill, will set in. Your body temperature will rapidly drop to room temperature.
2 hours later.
2 to 6 hours after death, rigor mortis or stiffening of the body sets in. This is due to calcium leaking into the muscle cells. About 12 hours after maximum rigor mortis, the body relaxes again. The bacteria in your guts will begin to feed on your intestines. This bacteria creates an awful smelling gas that attracts coffin flies, corpse-eating beetles, and many more. This gas can actually cause bloating, and in some cases, the corpse can even explode. Of course, a body that is left untreated will deteriorate much more rapidly than a body that is treated. This also depends on the age of the person and the cause of death. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!